Hey guys, it's Eric. This is Triple D Goats, and today I'm showing you how to practice cutting with a butter knife. Well, fact is, then it's a fact that if you don't know it, hit the like button. Bananas have been around for 10,000 years, and I think that's really cool because we still use bananas in many different ways. For anyone who hasn't seen my how to use a butter knife as a spreading tool video, you can start teaching your kids how to use a butter knife as a kitchen tool when they're 18 months old or older. So I have a butter knife and I have a banana, and I'm going to show you two simple ways to practice your knife skills if you're really young with a banana. First, you cut the butts or the ends off. Then you cut it in half to have two things to practice on. Then you put one to the side and take the other one and cut it in half again. Then you cut it in quarters. This is a really good knife skill practice because since you're going to be young practicing this, a lot of things that you'll be practicing on when you're young is probably going to be small things. And you cut a lot of things into quarters. Next, cut the other one in half. Then, and just follow along. Go slow so that you'll get the motion, and just continuously go. That's all you want to do. And then you'll do the same thing for this one. And that's it. So bananas are really slimy, so I really hope you guys wash your hands, and if you like this video then hit that like button and continue watching my videos. Stay awesome and see you guys next time.